In today's video, we are going to show you how to log in to Telegram web so you can access your messages right from your browser. No app installation needed. Let's begin. So the first thing that you need to do is to open any web browser like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Safari. In my case, I am using Brave, and enter the web.telegram.org and press enter. Okay? Now here, all I have to do is very simple. Once the page loads, you have two options to log in. You can open Telegram on your phone, which I'm gonna show you right now. Now go to the settings, select devices, tap the linked desktop device. You simply need to scan the QR code shown on your computer screen. And of course, you will be logged in instantly. That's one way. But if you do not prefer to use a QR code, the next option that you can do is you can log in using your phone number or log in with passkey. Depends on your preferences. If you plan to log in by phone number, what will happen is you need to enter the country. For example, we are here in United Kingdom and you need to provide your Telegram phone number. From here, click the next button. For example, let's say this is going to be my number. Click on the next button. And then what will happen is you need to enter the verification code sent to your Telegram app or SMS. Okay? And once verified, you will be logged in. Okay, so after logging in, you can send and receive messages, join groups and channels. You can share files and media, manage chats directly from your browser. Everything syncs automatically with your phone. And basically, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.